Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 611. The title of today's lesson is the difference between nod off and doze off. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. Both nod off and doze off can mean to fall asleep unintentionally, so not on purpose, and often in a sitting position. Okay, let's continue. However, nod off is more likely to be used if one is trying to fight off one's sleepy state. A person may catch oneself starting to fall asleep, which may cause one to literally nod or droop one's head. So remember, of course, we all know nod is when you go up and down with your head. So of course, if you're starting to nod off, it's like, so you're trying to catch yourself and you're trying to not fall asleep. Then in that situation, we're a little more likely to use the word nod off rather than doze off. All right, let's continue. As one's head is starting to nod and one is falling into a sleep, a person may try to quickly lift one's head to fight off the sleep. Thus, one is nodding. All right, let's continue. The word doze by itself usually means to sleep for a short time during the day. Thus, if one dozes off, they fall into a sleep while watching TV or doing something, often in a sitting position. However, it does not imply or doesn't suggest one was trying to fight off the sleep, or one was even aware that one was falling into a sleeping state. So you just might have just like, and then you were out. So in that case, we're probably a little more likely to just use doze off. All right, and we got 6 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. The baby was sleepy and started to nod off while strapped into the baby seat in the car. Yeah, anybody that's ever had a baby in a baby seat, sometimes you see the baby in the back actually trying to fight off the sleep, and then finally he passes out. Basically, this is what we mean by to nod off. So you actually might have seen his head going up and down a little. Again, in this situation, we're more a little likely to say nod off. All right, number 2, I was really trying to listen to his speech, but I was starting to nod off. So in this case, you're trying to pay attention. So you don't want to fall asleep, so you're trying to fight it off. I had to pinch myself to wake up. Okay. Number 3, she was nodding off in class because the teacher's lecture was boring. Yeah. Well, maybe. I mean, she is still supposed to be paying attention to the teacher, or, you're supposed to be learning. So you might try to really listen, but you were nodding off because you were too sleepy. All right, number 4, I dozed off while watching that movie on my sofa. Yeah, in this case, I don't know, maybe you're just so comfortable you fell directly into the sleep. So probably not nod off. All right, number 5, Grandma dozed off while sitting in her comfortable reclining chair. So she might have just suddenly fell asleep there. And number 6, I was starting to doze off and a loud noise woke me up. Okay. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.